Yo. So, got a little something from my boy LenLen fingerboards. All the way from Germany. So let's check it out. Get the Benchmade grip Italian. It's like 10 years old. Where in the hell did I even start to open this? There we go. So, let's see what she looks like. Nothing else in the box, except some paper. I've been waiting a while for this, so I've been super excited. I love this dude's, or dudette. I love their colors of their plies. Oh, whoa. Got a little LenLen sticker, couple of more tiny LenLens, a big LenLen, and an FBS. That's what's up. Oh, and this cool wooden veneer. Anyways. Hey Robbie, hope you enjoy your deck. Greetings from Germany. Lenny. Well, thank you, good sir. Now let's get to the good. Let's get to the goods. Let's see if we can just very easily pull this off like a shoe knot. So open up this here. Dude, oh my god. Yo. Oh, it's gonna be hard to use this even. It looks so good, dude. Look how thin the board is, and the lacquer, and the colors, and the countersinks. Good lord. This thing is fucking sexy. Cat, you best stay back, okay, please. So he includes normally just one sheet of FBS with his decks, but I think that he had some special thing going on, and I got this LenLen grip tape's kind of hard to see, but there's an L right here, right here. Kitty, I see you, yes. But good God, look at this fingerboard. Beautiful. So anyways, shout out LenLen. Thank you for putting me on your waiting list and making me this beautiful deck that I guess I'm gonna have to set up now. I don't even want to because it's so pretty. All right, catch you guys later.